This is the Nothing Phone 3A Pro. We're going to unbox this. We just received this from Digital Walker and Nothing this morning, and we are going to show you what's inside the box, how it compares to the Nothing Phone 2A Plus in terms of how it looks, and also with the new Nothing Phone 3A. Let's get started. All right, so this is now the Nothing Phone 3A Pro. So this got leaked a few months ago and then a few weeks ago. And then ngayon, finally, official na ang Nothing Phone 3A Pro. And it is going to be available in the Philippines very soon. So be sure to check out Digital Walker for pre-order details. So this is essentially one of their, if I may say, mid-range offerings. Of course, the Nothing Phone 3 is upcoming soon. We don't know any specific details yet of that product, but of course, we now have the mid-range version of that, which is the Nothing Phone 3A Pro. So we're going to unbox this. This is the black version, and this is the Nothing Phone 3A white version. If you want to see our unboxing experience of the Nothing Phone 3A, go and check out this link right over here. Okay, so this is the box of the Nothing Phone 3A Pro. Information about the product is over here. This is 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gig of storage. It says here black and Pro. So this is, I believe, the first time that they will be having that Pro moniker on their products. The last time we saw another affix is when they launched the Nothing 2A Plus. So this is the one. We also have an unboxing video of this and review. Go check out our website at gadgetpilipinas.net. So very interesting packaging right here. And as you can see, they have here just simply an open. And if you peel this, parang yung sa iPhone, it will detach the outer box from the inner box. And then we can just simply pull this one right over here, and then we're basically done. Embossed here is, of course, the design philosophy of the new Nothing Phone 3A Pro. Meron siyang 3 cameras, and of course, I believe this is a periscope camera based on information. I'm coming in blind because I have not read anything yet about this product. I mean, I have not yet read any review guidelines or maybe specifications, official specifications of this device. We just saw some leaks, and then we saw some previews of Nothing. And by the time we're actually producing this video is papaalis kami papuntang Barcelona for MWC, where they will actually be launching this officially. So pag na-launch na ito, at ito ay pwede na namin sabihin, we are now basically hitting the publish button. Kaya napapanood nyo ito ngayon. Okay, so this is it. Welcome to Nothing. Similar to the unboxing experience of the 3A, we have here some information like just simply use with Nothing on Instagram and X for a chance to be featured. Really nice and neat. This is an overview of the I/O and also the switch of the new Nothing Phone 3A Pro. We have volume rockers on the left side, kind of an interesting decision there. There's also a sleep and wake button, and there is now new essential button, which we also saw on the Nothing Phone 3A. We have a SIM tray and also the Type A, or Type C rather, Type C port. Okay, this is now your first look of the phone's back panel and camera cutout. Very interesting design. Okay, let's now remove it from here. There. Wow. Oh, look at that design. I'm actually very interested with the design philosophy of Nothing because, as you can see, in all of their devices, let me take this off its case. Nothing Phone 3A Pro, Nothing 2A Plus, and then also we have the Nothing Phone 3A. Alien looking in a way. I don't know, it's probably just me. Pero ganun siya, no? Iba yung itsura niya, it's really unique. In fact, if you get the 3A, the regular 3A, you know and you would think that, para lang siyang mas malaking version or mas daming camera na version in 2A Plus. But if you take a look at the nitty-gritties of everything, it's essentially different. Okay, so now a quick overview of the device. As you can see, ito yung kanyang camera cutout, and it's really a thick boy right here. As you can see, it's really thick. And if you, I guess the thickness of it has some merits and benefit because this one has actually a periscope camera. And just a quick correction, it only has 3 cameras and 1 flash right over there. I earlier mentioned it's 3 over and then 1 periscope. So just to clear that out of the way, again, coming in blind. We have here, again, as I mentioned, the essential button. We have the sleep and wake button right there and also the volume rockers. It does not come with anything like charger or case in the box. You only get this cable, which is neatly wrapped, and also this manual. And in nothing fashion, it also comes with this. This is their SIM ejector tool, which I don't usually use because I just want to, you know, keep it there because it's safe. Okay, so let's bring everything back to its box. So yun, what can I say about the design? It's really nice. I mean, if you take a look at the 3A and 3A Pro, these are essentially really good looking devices. And if I may say, I am digging the look of the 3A Pro, and this kind of gives us a glimpse of what might come on the 3. This might look like a 3 maybe. The 3 might rather look like this one. I don't know. But some people are kind of not comfortable with the placement of the other camera, which I think this is the 50 megapixel. It could have been probably here on the left side further, but it's their design decision. There's probably a reason for them doing that. And yeah, so here we have, I believe this one is this an IR blaster? I'm not sure about that. We have glyphs right here, 1 glyph, 2 and 3. 3 glyphs similar to the previous generations. We have 3 glyphs as well on the 3A, and we have 3 glyphs as well on the 2A Plus. But the design of the 2A Plus, the glyph of the 2A Plus is a little bit different, and it's cool. I mean, if you get the white version of the 3A Pro, which I believe Mary Bautista has, if you want to see it, go check out Mary Bautista's channel. It does also have this red, square on the lower right. As opposed to the black version, it has a white colored square on the lower right portion of something near the camera cutout. Okay, so yun yung okay sa kanya, no? Kakaiba, semi-transparent yung itsura. Semi kasi hindi naman siya technically transparent because underneath nandun talaga yung mga chips and all, the SoC and everything. So this gives you kind of like an aesthetic sub-transparent look of the device, which I am digging. Let's turn it on kasi alam ko marami sa inyo gusto na makita yung kanyang UI. And just to give you guys a quick overview of the UI of this device, ganito yung itsura niya when you turn it on. It's pretty much the same. Yan siya. Smart app drawer. I selected nothing theme because you have a choice between that and the other one, and the Android stock one. So if you wanna, it's a good option. No? If you want something stock looking, you go with the nothing theme, the Android theme rather. If you want naman yung nothing theme, you select the nothing theme, and this is how it looks. Hello, we'll skip this because we can just do this later. And then set up offline, and then next, or accept. And then let's just skip this. We'll do this later on. Terms and conditions, next, and just a showcase of the glyphs. Okay, and then just skip this. We'll do this later. And there is now the essential key, which I mentioned earlier, which is also present on the Nothing Phone 3A we have here. The essential key capture your thoughts on the go with the power of AI. Press and hold essential key to capture the screen, and keep holding to record audio. So I am not sure what else they can do with this, but this kind of gives people wealth of other information or other things, and kind of gives us also gives that vibe of this button from iPhone, from iPhone rather. And yeah, this is the action button, and they kind of have now the action button, but I'm not sure how deep they can go with the personalization of the essential key. So these are the things that are new on the Nothing Phone 3 OS. Okay, let's next Let's skip this because we've seen everything already. Yan na. So, pipili ka na dito. Ito na ngayon yun. You have nothing themed and Android themed. I'll go with the nothing theme because that's what I dig. I like it. It's just so itsura niya, no? Now, this is it. We have now the Nothing Phone 3A and also the Nothing Phone 3A Pro. Camera, we have photo, and if you take a look at this, we can go as much as, let's go ahead and go and zoom in further, 60x. That's a lot. I don't know if you can see this, but I'm able to see a glimpse of something. Let me just record the screen so you guys can see what I'm seeing. Screen record. There you go. Device audio. There. Okay, I believe it's now recording. Okay. I believe so. Is it recording? There. Click. Record audio. Start recording. Share or record an app. Record. So, okay, it's now recording. And now, as you can see, it's 0.15. That's the look of our studio right there. 24 millimeter. There's 50, I believe, and 70 millimeter. And then we have here the 6X, which is 160 millimeter. Now, if I pinch and zoom, you can go as much as 60x. Okay. All right, and we go a little bit further. You have a preview on the upper right side. And then we have here other smartphones that we're reviewing. Oh, there you go. We have something from DJI. Let's take a photo of it. There's a stabilization also involved. And AI, okay, we have now this. It processed without me connected to the internet, which is really nice. Kind of sharpened it a bit as well. Really good. I mean, it's good implementation of the periscope, kind of mimicking what Samsung and also other smartphone brands are doing, which is nice. I mean, you're getting it from a Nothing Phone. If you're a fan of the brand, definitely you might want to try something out. Try something out similar to what other Samsung users are doing. And yeah, so let's now go to settings. Let's connect to the internet so you guys see how the essential button works. But essentially, well, pun intended, it is like a shortcut button that would allow you to take a screenshot and then let AI analyze what screenshot that is all about. So let's say if I go to our website, all right, use without an account for now, no thanks. Let's go to Gadget, Pilipinas, .net. There. So, if I, for example, go to this review or this article that we posted recently, which is the MSI Claw, if I press and hold the Essential button, it just took a screenshot of it, and it should have an Essentials input, which is here, should be. There, double click to continue. There, we have it here. It says here, sign into Nothing account to learn more about Essential Space. We can do that later. If you click this, and it just says Chrome, no voice detected. And then that's it. The information may contain some inaccuracies. I don't know what's gonna happen here later on. Maybe it would be a way for them to maybe look for information from the screenshot you just took, and then maybe if there are dates in there, it will automatically be put on your calendar, things like those. Now, another thing that you can do is you press and hold the Essential key, and it will record whatever you're saying. So, for instance, I am going to Paris next week. I need to immediately inform the concierge at the hotel that I need to extend another day. So that should have captured my audio, and it should be inside the Essentials space. And it's now analyzing, and I'm not sure down the line what they will be doing after this and how much improvement that they will do, but basically it just recorded everything I said and it transcribed it. I'm going to Paris next week. I need to immediately inform the concierge at the hotel, and I need to extend another day. It's good. It's semi-accurate, and it also recorded. I am going to Paris next week. I need to immediately inform the consul. That is very good. So, yep, lots of things to look up to on the essentials button. I don't know what crazy things that they will be doing with that. The personalization, as I mentioned, is another thing that I'd like to see on the Nothing Phone 3A Pro, specifically on the Essentials tab. So again, this is your first look of the Nothing Phone 3A. Again, just a simple quick unboxing and also some overview of the things that I like about this device, the features as well. And hope to be able to give you guys a quick review of this very soon during my stay in Europe. I will be posting some shorts and videos about this and publish our review later on. I will be in Europe until March 12, so I hope to be able to produce something there and maybe hand these over to RAM, to the content team, so that they can do crazy things about it. And special thanks to Digital Walker for sending over these devices, and also to Nothing for, of course, including us in the global launch, and also here in the local launch in the Philippines. And hopefully, we'll see this one very soon from Digital Walker. So again, go check out Digital Walker for their upcoming pre-order details of the Nothing Phone 3A and Nothing Phone 3A Pro. This has been Gian of Gadget Pilipinas. Catch you in the next one. Bye!